create WordPress website with free domain and then hosting. This is a step-by-step tutorial, okay? So after going through this tutorial, you'll be able to create an awesome looking website just like this on your own, okay? So let's go into the tutorial. What you have to do is just go to Google and then type in zipwp and then hit enter. When it comes, just come and then select the official site of zipwp, just like this one. Click on it and then come and click on the sign up for free. It is totally free to sign up, okay? When you click on it, you are simply going to create an account by coming here to click on the sign up with your Google, okay? Just one click, just click on it, and then you are going to use your Google to sign up by simply coming to choose your account, okay? So what that you have to do is to just come here and then come and click on the continue after selecting your Google account. And then over here, what you have to do is to come and choose a free plan, okay? It is free forever plan. Just come here where we have get started and then come and click on it. It is totally free. You'll be logged into your dashboard just like this one. Come to the project and then come and select it, okay? And then over here, we are going to create a project. So to create a project, just come here where it says create new project. We are simply going to click on it to create a project. So click on it. So when you click on it, over here it says create a new project. What you have to do is to just put in the name of your project. I'm going to call it my first website. And then come here and then click on create project, okay? So when you click on it, over here you will see your projects here and then the number of sites that you have created, okay? We haven't created any site. What you can do is to just click on the three dots here and then you can edit your project name. If you don't want it also, you can simply click on delete to delete the project. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come here and then come and select the project by simply clicking on it, okay? So when you select it, what you are going to do is that you are going to be logged into your project just like this one. So all that you have to do is just come here where we have the create new, come and click on the down arrow and then you can create a blank website or a complete one. We are going to select a complete website to create it, okay? So just select the complete website, okay? So after clicking on it, we are going to go through this step-by-step process to create our website, okay? So what you have to do is to simply come here and then build our website. First thing that we have to do is to just come here and then put in the name of our website, okay? So after putting in the name of the website, come and select what the website is for. By clicking on it, you can select agency, non-profit, local business, gym, or any of these, okay? So let me put in the name as motorcycle news and then simply come here and then select the agency as an entrepreneur. And then you can also change the language if you don't want it by clicking on the down arrow, but I'm going to leave it at the English default language, okay? And then simply come here and then come and click on the continue. So when you click on it, what you have to do is to just describe what your website is about. If you don't want to write it on your own, you can come and click on write using AI, and then the AI will generate a very nice one for you. Read through and then edit it. If you don't want it, you can always come and click on improve using AI, okay? So when you click on it, it will regenerate a different one for you. Read it. If you don't want it, you can simply go back to the one that you wanted, or you can always improve it. After that, just come here and then click on the continue. So after clicking on the continue, the next thing is that you have to come and then put in your contact details so that people can get in contact with you. You can simply come and then put in the email address here, and then you can also put in your phone number here. Beside that one, you can also put in your address here in the address box, and then you can always add your social media handles to it by simply coming to click on the plus sign, and you can add any of these social media handles to your website, okay? So I'm just going to skip it for now by simply coming and then click on skip step, okay? So when you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to come and then select a free stock images for your website. You can choose by categories by selecting any of these, or you can leave it at the default selected one, okay? So just go through and then select any of the pictures that you want, and you are going to see your selected pictures here, okay? So as you can see, I've selected 15 of it. Don't select more than 20 for one website. You can always add some later, okay? Then come here and then come and click on the continue. So after that, what you have to do is to choose the structure of your website, okay? So we have different structures. You can simply put the mouse on it, and then it will show you from the top to bottom how the website is going to look like, okay? So I'm going to choose one that I think it goes with my business. So I'm going to select this one, this first one. It is nice, and I'm going to select that one by simply looking at it and then come and then click on it. So when you click on it, what you have to do now is that at this side, you can upload a logo of your site. Okay, so if you have a logo, you can simply click on upload file here, and then it will be uploaded. And then you can always come and then change the color palette. Okay, so the color palette, you can change it by simply selecting any of the one that you want. Okay, you can choose any of the one, but I'm going to leave mine at the default, the one that has been selected already. Okay, beside that one too, you can always preview it in either desktop mode, a tablet mode, or even the mobile mode as well. Okay, so when you are done, just come here and come and click on the continue, and then your website is going to be built, but you can always add any of these features. Okay, so we have the donation, you can check it or you can uncheck it if you want it. We have the sales panel, you can add it. We have the free live chat, you also have the automation, you can add it, and then you also have the video player. But I'm going to skip all this for now by simply coming and then click on skip and then start building. Okay, so congratulations, we are almost done. So just go through, you see the name, you see the description, and then the details. When you are okay with it, just come here and then come and click on start building the website. Okay, so when you click on it, just wait for the AI to build your website, a complete website for you. Relax, and then what you have to do is to just check your email to see that your website is ready. Okay, so as you can see, the website is ready, and then copy the login details somewhere. Okay, and then come and click on the URL to open your website. Okay, so when you click on it over here, what you have to know is that the website is not hosted on the ZipWP platform. Okay, it is temporary, so we need a hosting platform. So just come and put in OK and then click on submit for it to verify. And then as you can see, our website has been created successfully for us. Okay, so now what you have to do is that we have to come back to our ZipWP under the dashboard where we have the all site. Just come and then click on it, and then we are going to see our site right here. So this is our website that we just created, and then there is a time limit to it that is going to expire. So we need a hosting platform. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to get a free hosting platform to host your website. So when you come here where we have the action, the three dots, come and click on it, and then come and copy the login credentials by clicking on it. Okay, so this is what you are going to use to log in into our website. Okay, just copy it somewhere and then come to our website and then come and then copy our link, or you can simply add wp-admin to it and then hit enter. Okay, so when you hit enter, you are going to be logged directly into your WordPress through the WordPress admin. Okay, so just come and then put in your username, password, and then click on the login. Okay, so you'll be logged in right into your WordPress dashboard, and then what you have to do is just come to the plugins, and then under the plugins, just come and then click on add new plugin. Okay, and then select it. So when you click on it, when we have the search bar, just come and then search for WP Vivid, just like this one. Okay, and then it will come. Okay, when it comes, just come and then select the WP Vivid. Okay, so just come here and then click on install now, and then wait for it to install. So when it is finished installing, just come and then click on activate. Okay, and then after it's finished activating, just simply go back to your dashboard by clicking on it, and then when you click on your dashboard, just come here where we have the settings. Under it, we have the WP Vivid backup. Just come and then select the backup and then restore. Okay, so when you select it, what you are going to do is that under the backup manually, make sure that the database plus files is selected, and then save backups to local is also selected as well. Okay, and then come here and then come and click on the backup now. So after clicking on it, it will be backed up for you, and then all that you have to do is to just come down here where we have the backups. Okay, so just come down here, you are going to see the backup is here. So as you can see, it is here, and then you can see that we have the download, and then the file type is here. Just click on the download and then come to files. Okay, and then the file size, you will see the download is here. Just come and then click on the download. Okay, so it is going to be downloaded in a zip form for you, just like this one. Just come and then click on the open for you to see it. Okay, so this is our website file that you have been able to download it. Now we need a hosting to host our website, a free hosting service. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to get that one too. Okay, so let's go back to Google and then type in Infinity Free and then hit enter. Okay, so when it comes, just come and then select the official site of Infinity Free, just like this one, and then select it. Just come to where it says register now and then come and click on it, and then just go through the sign up process by simply putting your email address, then you put in your password, come and then confirm your password, and then come and check the boss to agree to their terms of services. Okay, so what you have to do now is to come and click on sign up. So after signing up, after clicking on the sign up, they are going to send you a verification mail into your email. So all that you have to do is just go to your email. If you don't see it, just come here, then come and click on resend email. Okay, so let's go to our email. So as you can see, the message is here. What you have to do is just come here and then come and click on verify address. Okay, so when you click on it, we are going to choose a hosting account. Okay, so over here you can see that we have create account is here. Okay, so we are going to create an account. So when you come here under your account, you see that no accounts yet, so create an account now. Just come and click on create account now. So when you click on it, we are going to choose a hosting plan, and we are going to choose a free plan. Okay, so this is a free plan and free forever plan. So what you have to do is to just come down here and then click on create now. So when you click on it, it is going to take us to the domain name. If you have your own domain name, simply come to the domain type and then choose custom domain. Okay, if you don't have your own domain name, just come here where you have the subdomain and then come and select that one, and then come here and then come and put in the subdomain name that you want, and then the domain extension, just come and then select any of them that you want. They are all totally free. Okay, so when you are done, just come here and then click on check availability. Okay, so I'm going to put in motorcycle as the domain name, and then all that you have to do is just come here and then come and click on check availability. So as you can see, the domain motorcycle is available and then I can use it. Okay, so all that I have to do is to just look at my account label. So this is what is going to show up when people go to my website, and then the account username, it is going to be generated automatically. The password, I can always come and click on this to change it automatically. Okay, so keep the password and then save it somewhere. So the email consent, just come and then click on the select and then select I approve. Okay, after that, just come down here where it says create account, come and then click on create account. So after clicking on it, as you can see, our account has been created successfully. What we have to do now is to simply come here and then come and click on the finish. Okay, so when you click on the finish, what you have to do now is that we have to come here and see. If you try to log in and then it does not come, you have to wait for about 72 hours, but it will come by simply coming and then click on the control panel. So what you have to do now is to just come and then click on I approve. Okay, just click on it, and then your control panel is going to be open just like this one. So this is what is given within the free plan. We have our subdomain, we have our add-on domains, we have our 5 gigabytes this storage, and then we also have our unlimited bandwidth as well. What you have to do is to just come and then locate the Subtaclos app installer and then click on it, and then you are going to see the WordPress here. Just come and then click on install. Over here, come and select the down arrow and then come and choose quick install. Okay, and then click on it. So when you click on it, what you have to do now is to just come and set your account, okay, your admin account, by putting your admin username, and then the password. You can always come and click on this key to regenerate a new one. Okay, so when you are okay with it, just come here and then come and click on the install, and then WordPress will be installed for you successfully. So when it's finished installing, you can always log into your WordPress by coming to your control panel. Just come to the Subtaclos app, install, and then click on it, and then you are going to see the installation is here. We have one installed. Just click on it, and then you can always come here where we have your URL here, and then come and click on login as admin icon. Okay, and then we have been logged in successfully. We have to update our WordPress by simply coming to click on please update now. So when you click on it, the WordPress will be updated by coming to click on update to version. Okay, so when you click on it, just wait for it to finish updating, and when you go to your dashboard, you will see that we have successfully updated our WordPress. Okay, so now we have to upload our website by simply going to the plugins and then come and click on add new plugin. Okay, and then simply go to the search and then come and search for WP Vivid, just like this one. Okay, and then come and select this one. Okay, so where it says install now, just come and click on it, wait for it to finish installing, then come and click on activate. Okay, when you click on it, it will be activated, and then when you go to your dashboard, When you come to the settings here, you are going to see under the settings the WP Vivid Backup is here. Select that one and then come here. Okay, so we are going to upload it by just locate the upload and then click on it. And over here, you can simply come and then select the file that we downloaded. Okay, so just come and select it, click on the open, and then it is going to be selected here. So this is our zip file for our website. Just come and then click on upload, and then it is going to be uploaded. Give it time to upload to 100%, just like this one, and then when it's finished uploading, you will see the pop-up here. Just come and then click on OK. Right, so after clicking on it, just come down here where we have the uploaded backup. Just come here where we have the restore section under it. Just come and then click on the restore. Okay, click on it and then just come here and then click on restore and wait for the zip file to be restored. So it will come this way and then come and click on OK for it to continue restoring. Okay, so as you can see, it is being restoring, and all that you have to do is to just wait for it to finish. So as you can see, it has successfully completed, and then come here and then click on the OK. Okay, so now we have to log into our WordPress dashboard. Right, so to log in, what we have to do is that we have to come back to our zipw and then just come here to all sites, and then we are going to see the site that we created. Okay, so come and click on the three dots and then come and click on login credentials and then click on it. Okay, so we are going to copy the username, okay, by simply clicking on the username. Just copy it and then come and paste it right here, and then we are also going to copy the password by clicking on it and then come back here again and then come and paste the password and then click on log in. So after logging in, we will log in directly to our dashboard. Okay, so just come here and then come and click on dashboard, and then we can simply go to our site by going to the name of our site and then click on visit site. Okay, so we have successfully uploaded our website on a free web hosting and then a free domain. Okay, so one of the most important aspects of every website is the SSL. So when you check here, it says not secure. When you click on it, it says that connection to this site is not secured. It simply means that our SSL certificate was not installed automatically. Don't worry, I'm having a full video teaching you exactly how to get a free SSL from this platform. So watch it from my channel. Okay, so you can always come here and then come and click on customize to customize your website. You have all these features that you can always look through. Click on it and then use it to customize your website to fit your own preference. You can always come here and then click on any of it and then click on the edit element, and then you'll be able to simply edit your website to fit your preference. Okay, so after editing everything and then you are okay with it, all that you have to do is that you have to come this place where we have the publish and then come and click on the publish, and then your changes will be saved for you. Okay, so this is how to create your own WordPress website for free using free hosting and then a free domain provider.